We're gonna go with when that little red-headed white girl blamed affirmative action for her scholastic failures.
They want you to read it like you're not in remedial classes.
Yeah.
I don't think you can sing.
When that little red-headed white girl is... Yeah, it's all good, yeah. She woke up like she was on the bus. She thought she missed her stop. London, who you playing with?
Marquita, the lovely Marquita.
Hello.
You hate gumbo and she don't eat fried chicken no more.
Y'all.
Okay, I didn't know that before we got out. We should have discussed.
I've been about 4 months clean, y'all.
Well, that's cool. That's a hell. I don't mind being healthy.
I've been 4 months
She said 4 months clean, like she like, I need some fried chicken.
Put that shit up in the IV. Like seriously, it's been hard, but I need to do it.
Why'd you take a break from fried chicken?
Because my skin, like I was noticing, like I went on like this little fast and I gave up fried food and like my skin was like glowing, right?
No fried chicken, clear the skin up. Wait till how good your skin look when you get some.
Right? No.
I was gonna say, brother.
You're in church trying to get your life right and you get a text from an old jump off.
In church? Oh
What
my God.
does a text from your jump off say? Hey, big head? WYD, question mark? You up? No words, just an eggplant or cherry emoji.
It's either what you doing or hey, big head. I heard both of those.
What you doing? Cause I'ma come over. Or it ain't hey, big head.
I think it's what you're doing.
You think it's what you doing? I think it's hey, big head, man.
If it's an old jump off, like y'all at this,
Yeah.
it's gonna be that last one.
No words, you just say eggplant. No, I can't go with no. I think.
You thinking like a lady, you gotta think like a hoe. Like a hoe, babe, send that kind of stuff.
Your ass will be late to work 4 days out of 5, but oh no, don't let your check be late. What will happen if your paycheck is not on time?
I quit.
I have options.
Got options.
Circle the accountant's cubicle like a shark. Take the office printer and keep it as collateral. Stop doing work, I ain't no volunteer. Email your managers, it was probably an oversight.
I got child support to pay, so therefore,
You got a child? You got a kid?
I mean,